Next program under the string manipulation is to use different methods for string manipulation, such as substring, index of, compare to, equals, ignore case, and reverse. So let's type first statement, which is public static void main string args square bracket, this bracket close, and then this braces. Now first of all, declaration statement, and there is third kind of method is string buffer method. So we are going to use that method also. String buffer k is equal to new string buffer. This is how we can create the object by using new operator, and here we can give the value. We can give value in capital Dilip Kumar day, and we can close it, semicolon. Now next we can use just simply string, not the string buffer. Here we can give the value understanding, and after that we can use the string b. We can copy it. Now here we can change the name of the variable. Here we can give it b and initialize it with computer, just like in our last program. And c we can give prime number, just to use a different string manipulation method which are already present in the library. And d1 d2 again we can give d1 delete day, in this program we are going to use compare to. In last program we used equals method. So here same value we are giving. So it's going to compare. Now its name should be different. D2 variable name, string variable, and after that let's give d3 here we can change the case. We can write it in uppercase, the same name. With the same spelling, but the case over here is uppercase. So now we are going to use different output statements to check and use these string functions. In Java, functions are called as method. We can recognize the method by its suffixed opening closing bracket, system.out.println. Now the substring function, substring from fifth position, the substring from fifth position and plus operator. Now a dot substring 5. Now next is, now let's copy it to save our time. Paste it. Now next function we are going to use again substring out of 10 leaving first 5 character, substring leaving first 5 character. Here we are again going to use substring, but now we are going to specify number of characters 5, 10, because in total there are 10 with the value of a. Next is, again let's copy it. Now next function we are going to use is index of, let's change the message, position of m from 5th character. Position of m from 5th character is equal to, you can write here is equal to also, so that the message should be more clear. Otherwise it's obvious also. Now let's take the variable name c and dot index of is going to give us the position m, characters position, and character should be enclosed in single quotes. Then fifth, comma 5, M from fifth character. So it is going to give us, and after that, next is here one more closing bracket should be there. Now next is Control V for another output statement. Now let's use compare to, compare string, change the message, compare strings. These are going to compare the values of two strings. So we have given here, let's change the name of the method, compare which two strings, d1 and let's compare it with the d2. The function name is compare to, not just the compare. It should be in capital. Java is case sensitive, so we need to take care about the cases. And after that, now we are going to use ignore case, equals ignore case. Now let's change the message. Ignore case. These are all string manipulation methods which are already present in the library, Java library. So here we are going to use d2 dot equals and then again I should be capital and C should also be capital, ignore case, and it's going to compare it with the D3. Remember D3 we gave the value in capital, and here D3 value is in capital, delete day, and other D1, D2 they are in small cases. So equals ignore case, and last one more function we can use, that is reverse. Reverse is going to reverse the string. So let's use it, the reverse string. The reverse string is very important so far as your examination point of view is concerned. Otherwise, anything can come in your exam. So, better you should have deep understanding of each and every string manipulation method. So, these we are doing just the basics. Now, let's check it. Here one more is bracket is expected. So let's compile it. So let's compile it one more time. Earlier it was having here error. I have written R over here. R was missing. It was grammatical or spelling error. So compile it one more time. There is no syntax error. Let's save the class. You can also press Ctrl and S, close it. Now let's run the program by opting the second option. Now see, it has given us all the required output.